Greetings, fellow adventurers and future globetrotters. Today, we're about to embark on a journey that holds the key to your dreams of an affordable and fulfilling life abroad. Welcome back to our channel, where we're diving deep into the realm of possibilities. Get ready for our much-anticipated video, the 10 cheapest countries to live or retire in 2023. Before we dive into the countdown, make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell turned on. Trust me, you won't want to miss any of the insights we're about to share. Are you ready for a life of adventure, culture, and incredible savings? Well, get ready to have your wanderlust ignited. We're not just going to skim the surface, my friends. We've delved deep into our research to bring you the ultimate guide to the top 10 countries where your budget goes the furthest. Picture this: stunning landscapes, diverse cultures, and a lifestyle that won't break the bank. But there's more. We've saved the best for last. That's right, our number one pick is a hidden gem that ticks all the boxes. From breathtaking scenery to a vibrant local community, this destination has it all. And the best part? It's not just about the cost of living, it's about the quality of life. I won't give it away just yet, but let me tell you, it's a place that will make your heart skip a beat. Imagine waking up every day to paradise, with your hard-earned savings stretching further than you ever thought possible. Now, without further ado, let's get into the countdown. From the pristine beaches of Southeast Asia to the charming towns of Europe, we'll explore each. 10. Vietnam. Our journey begins in Vietnam, a country where ancient traditions meet modern innovation. From the bustling streets of Hanoi to the tranquil landscapes of Ha Long Bay, Vietnam offers a rich cultural experience coupled with a remarkably low cost of living. Whether you're savoring a bowl of pho or exploring the historic streets of Hoi An, Vietnam's affordability and warm hospitality make it an enticing destination for expats and retirees. 9. Mexico. Heading south to Mexico, we find a land of endless horizons and rich cultural heritage. With its stunning beaches, historic cities like Oaxaca and Guanajuato, and a cuisine that's a UNESCO intangible cultural heritage, Mexico offers an affordable paradise for those seeking a relaxed and culturally vibrant retirement. 8. Thailand. Next up, we have Thailand, a tropical wonderland that captivates the senses. From the majestic temples of Bangkok to the serene beauty of Chiang Mai, Thailand offers a blend of modern living and ancient traditions. With its affordability, vibrant street markets, and stunning islands like Koh Phi Phi, it's no wonder this land of smiles is a favorite among expats. 7. Portugal. Stepping into Europe, we discover Portugal, a country that combines old-world charm with a modern spirit. From the enchanting streets of Lisbon to the wine regions of Porto, Portugal offers affordable living costs, a comfortable climate, and a rich history that invites exploration and discovery. 6. Colombia. Venturing to South America, we uncover the treasures of Colombia. With its diverse landscapes, from the coffee plantations of the Zona Cafetera to the Caribbean coastline of Cartagena, Colombia offers a colorful tapestry of experiences. Boasting an affordable cost of living, friendly locals, and a thriving cultural scene, Colombia is emerging as an attractive destination for retirees and adventurers. 5. Nicaragua. Our fifth spot takes us to Nicaragua, a land of unspoiled beauty and tranquil beaches. From the charming city of Granada to the volcanic landscapes of Ometepe Island, Nicaragua offers a slow-paced lifestyle and affordability that allows retirees to fully embrace the present moment. 4. Malaysia. Moving on to Southeast Asia, we arrive in Malaysia, a melting pot of cultures and natural wonders. From the skyscrapers of Kuala Lumpur to the rainforests of Borneo, Malaysia offers a comfortable lifestyle at a fraction of the cost of many Western countries. With its modern amenities, diverse cuisine, and warm climate, Malaysia beckons to those seeking a harmonious balance between adventure and relaxation. 3. Ecuador. Nestled in the Andes Mountains, Ecuador is a country of astounding diversity. From the vibrant markets of Otavalo to the historic streets of Quito, Ecuador's affordability, stunning landscapes, and welcoming locals create an environment that encourages retirees and expats to thrive. 2. Cambodia. Our penultimate spot brings us to Cambodia, a land of ancient temples and boundless spirituality. From the iconic Angkor Wat to the picturesque town of Battambang, Cambodia offers an affordable cost of living, rich history, and a sense of adventure that's hard to match. The warmth of the Cambodian people and the captivating blend of tradition and modernity make it a captivating destination for expats and retirees. 1. Vietnam. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Taking the top spot is Vietnam. With its stunning landscapes, rich history, and incredibly low cost of living, Vietnam offers an unparalleled opportunity to embrace a life of exploration and cultural immersion. From the bustling streets of Ho Chi Minh City to the serene beauty of Da Nang's beaches, Vietnam's charm is matched only by its affordability. Conclusion. There you have it, fellow explorers, our list of the 10 cheapest countries to live or retire in 2023. Each of these destinations offers a unique blend of affordability, culture, and unforgettable experiences. From Asia to the Americas and beyond, these countries offer not only affordability but a chance to create lasting memories and experiences. So, are you ready to start a new chapter, surrounded by new cultures and remarkable landscapes? The world is waiting for you to make it your home. If you found this countdown helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips, destination guides, and exciting adventures from around the globe. Until next time, remember that the journey is yours to create. Embrace the world, embrace affordability, and embrace the limitless possibilities that await you.